Hello, and welcome to another episode of MarkSharks Study Sessions. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of magnetism. You might have seen magnets sticking to your fridge or playing with magnetic toys, but there's a lot more to magnets than just that. Let's explore what magnetism is and how it's used in everyday life. First off, let's talk about what magnetism actually is. Magnetism is a force caused by the movement of electric charges. Think of it as an invisible force field that can push or pull certain materials without touching them. This force is created by tiny particles called electrons that are always moving around inside atoms. How do magnets work? Magnets have two ends called poles, north and south. Opposite poles attract each other, like north attracts south, but the same poles repel each other. Imagine you have two bar magnets. If you try to push the north poles together, they'll push away from each other. But if you put a north pole and a south pole close, they'll snap together. Magnets in daily life. Now, let's look at some cool ways we use magnets in our daily lives. Fridge magnets. You probably have seen these on your fridge. They're not just for holding up your artwork. They actually use magnetism to stick to the metal door of your fridge. Credit cards. Ever swiped your credit card? That magnetic strip on the back stores your information using magnetism. The card reader uses magnets to read this information when you make a purchase. Electric motors. Magnets are also inside electric motors, like the ones in your toys or even in your car. They help convert electrical energy into mechanical movement. Without magnets, our motors wouldn't work. MRI machines. Magnets are so powerful that they can even help doctors see inside your body. MRI machines use huge magnets to create detailed images of your organs and tissues. This helps doctors diagnose and treat illnesses. Maglev trains. And here's something super futuristic. Maglev trains. These trains float above the tracks using powerful magnets, making them super fast and smooth. No wheels are needed. So, whether it's your fridge, credit card, or a futuristic train, magnets play a huge role in our lives. They make everyday tasks easier and help us explore new technology. Got any questions about magnets? Try our MarkSharks app, which uses visual interactives to help you learn and stay engaged. To try MarkSharks for 1 week absolutely free, click the link in the description box below. Thank you for watching this video, and see you again real soon. Remember, the world of magnetism is everywhere around us, making our lives easier and more exciting. Keep exploring and stay curious. MarkSharks. It's not about studying, it's about learning by doing.